Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Welcome. It is Olymp Trade. My name is Thomas, and we have another trading session. So, how's everyone doing? Big profits, medium profits, losses. So anything can happen in the markets. Does everyone conduct their trading diary? Has anyone already entered their trades for today? So any notable trades, anything that you want to share, you're very much welcome. So please do share your thoughts on trading and on like all kinds of thoughts on trading. Guys, happy to see you all here, and let's do some trading together. Yeah, so trading. What kind of trading strategy do we want to pick today? So yeah, we have got 15 wonderful expert strategies, so advanced and expert strategies. And you know what, guys? I think we want to go with Excel once again. So we tried Excel three or more webinars ago. Excuse me. And yeah, everyone loves this trading strategy, and I thought that why don't I give you something easy to use, and something very simple, and something very exact, very precise, because oftentimes when it comes to trading, there is one problem with trading strategies, is that sometimes you don't really understand, you don't really know when exactly to open a trade. So this trading strategy doesn't have these flaws, and here pretty much with this trading strategy you always know when to open a trade, because basically in this strategy it only consists out of one trading indicator, which is the momentum oscillator with the default properties of 14 and 9. 14 periods, and 9 is the period of the simple moving average, this orange line. So basically this is the momentum line, and this is the SMA line based on the momentum line. Okay, maybe this sounds a little bit complex. I do not want to confuse you guys. What I want to give you is a simple and reliable tool for trading. So something that you can rely on, and something that can help you do better trades, and more better trades in general. So when is the moment to open a trade? Okay, so let me find one more example. So here I opened the trade in the upwards direction. Well, because at this moment of time the blue line was crossed the orange line. So when this moment happens, when the blue line crosses the orange line, that's when we want to open a trade according to the strategy. So we either want to open a trade in the upwards direction or in the downwards direction, and that depends from how exactly this crossing happens. Either it happens from bottom upwards, or it happens from top downwards. Like in this example, the crossing happened from in the downwards direction, and thus I opened a trade. So I would have opened the trade in the downwards direction, but only here. And with my current trade, basically, yeah, the lines crossed here, and immediately I opened the trade upwards. It's quite simple. That's setup number one in this trading strategy. Okay, how do you proceed with trades like this one when a signal happened 3 candlesticks ago or 3 minutes ago? Well, basically you have to skip. You have to miss this trade because well, there is no signal anymore. So the signal is gone. It is very much important. Okay, I don't want to use this one first. I want to give you something clear. Yeah, it is very important to open a trade when the crossing happens. So here I opened. So you want to have only recent, fresh setups. You do not want to trade those crossings or like those signals that happened 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. You only want to concentrate on those signals that are coming in either live or maybe on the like previous one, or okay, maybe maximum 2 candlesticks ago. Okay, here I use setup number 2 with this trading strategy when the orange line crosses the 100 line. So when this happens on the chart, that's when you want to open a trade in the upwards direction. So we crossed the 100 line from bottom upwards. So that's the moment when you want to open a trade in the upwards direction. And yeah, you know what? I think we can go ahead and use this signal, because this is an example of a relatively fresh signal, because the blue line crossed the orange line so 1 minute ago on the previous candlestick. Maybe here or here, it's kind of hard to tell now in the history. Looking back at this history, it doesn't indicate the exact moment, but basically, yes, the setup is there, and thus the trade is in the downwards direction. Okay, GBP AUD, nice. Okay, 1, 2, okay, so kind of a little bit too late for this trade. So once again, all right, and how about this one? Now, once again, setup number 2, looking at the orange line that crosses the 100 line, this horizontal line. That's so when crossing happens from top to bottom, right? So in the downwards direction. So downwards. That's a nice sticker, a bone. Huh. Will be. What is the oscillator? Well, don't really have to concentrate on what oscillator is. Oscillator is this thing, like a mathematical indicator, mathematical formula based on these quotes, based on the chart, on the graph, and it returns a certain value, a certain reply, and based on those quotes or on those values, it draws a certain indicator. All right, so unfortunately, this trade closes with a loss, but we can go ahead and try a trade now in the downwards direction, because we have another signal now. So let's call this signal number 1. Signal number 1 is when the blue line crosses the orange line here in this example in the downwards direction, and that's when you want to open a trade in the downwards direction. So that's what I did. All right. Okay, so this should be a winning trade. Okay, I'm not quite sure about this signal. Yeah, let's try this one. Still, okay. Well, the signal is there, so why not give it a try? So NZD-CHF, yes, I already have this trade, and GBP-CHF. All right, so similar to NZD-CHF. Okay. Okay, now, so blue line has just crossed the orange line. So trade in the upwards direction, simple as that. So that's this is a strategy called Excel, where we just wanna find this moment when the two lines cross, you open trade. So setup number 2. So on the previous candlestick, we have this moment, we have this situation when the middle line got crossed by the orange line, and that's the moment when you want to open trades in the downwards direction. So simple. Can I use risk-free trades in Forex? Well, risk-free trades, they are not available on Forex mode. So one can only use them on FTT mode. And yeah, I actually do have a multiple. Okay, so setup number one: blue line crossing the orange line in the upwards direction here on Bitcoin, and thus trade in the upwards direction. So yeah, I want to go ahead and use my risk-free trades. Maybe see how many I got. Way too many. All right, nice, nice. So euro, the euro USD. Right. Once again, a recent signal on euro AUD. Thus, I open a trade in the upwards direction. What about GBP AUD? Yes, and seems that I might possibly open an additional trade. In the downwards direction. Anyone know the indicator name? Yes, sure. The indicator name is momentum. It is a classic, one of those classic indicators. Oh my god, just very close to a positive, to close with a profit, and still we closed with a loss. Okay, let's have a look at how this crossing happens. I think it is about to cross the 100 line. So yeah, the indicator is called momentum. It has been around for many years, maybe a few decades, because most of these indicators, they appeared, I would say, in the 80s, in the 70s, with the development of computers. So when computers became, were getting more and more powerful, that's when everyone's like, wow, yeah, I should invent my own indicator. Like, I got all the computing powers that I need, and then yeah, everyone just started using these. Okay, so I will use one more risk-free trade now with so Bitcoin. So on gold, we are about to observe this trade in the upwards direction. Can it be useful on Forex? Definitely. I would say that most of our trading strategy, they are so much suitable for Forex trading. I would say the only difference is that, well, instead of choosing the duration of a trade, each time you don't need to, well, you don't have to select choose duration of your trades. You just choose your stop loss and take profit, and that's it. Okay, out JPY. Let's give it a try in the upwards direction, because the blue line has just crossed the orange line in the upwards direction. So, and back to $33 per trade. What about my statistics so far? So, started trading here. I have one. Is it so? Yeah, is it true? So I have 1, 2. Wow, I thought I had more losing trades, but in fact I have 1, 2, 2 losing trades, and I have like 7 winning trades. Wow. I wasn't paying much attention to the statistics, guys. It's an amazing, fantastic result. Yeah. Wow. Wow. That's so awesome. So I would say Excel is one of those simple and very, very much reliable trading strategies. So for those of you who are still not using this strategy, I strongly recommend that you give it a try, because I mean, like, I'm doing my trades. I do my trades live. I don't like record my screen and then kind of edit until I get that perfect combination of that perfect ratio of winning trades to losing trades. No, I just open trades live. So as you can see, everything is well. You can compare your one more trade. Setup number one. Blue line crosses the orange line. So yeah, guys, you can compare all the quotes. You can see that I'm trading live. It's no editing here. So okay, let's give it a try. NZD USD. My risk-free trade on Gold. Okay, so this one closes with a loss, but I got a refund because I used my risk-free trade, so I didn't lose anything here. I don't like to use risk-free trades all the time. That's why I have so many of them, because basically, well, some of them are in this amount of $1 or $5, so not really interesting. But yeah, I have also got a few big ones. But basically, these risk-free trades, they will not do, you don't get just like 50% of your trades are risk-free trades. In fact, it's, I don't know, maybe 2-3% of your trading volume. You get them back in the form of risk-free trades. So it's kind of like a fun instrument to use from time to time. But basically, if you know how to trade, and you have a reliable trading strategy, you definitely don't need them. Okay, you can trade with them or without them. The result will be the same. You will still make profits. But if you don't know how to trade, if you don't have a reliable trading strategies, yes, you can maybe somehow make a little bit of money with the help of risk-free trades. But generally speaking, they will not. They will not cover all your losses. So it's like I say, it's a fun thing to have, and yes, you can make some money with the help of RFTs or risk-free trades, but they're not gonna be like say game changer. You still need to develop your trading strategy. You need to develop your trading plan. You need to do all you need to do what any trader has to do. Trade and analyze their trades, and develop a trading strategy. Your work with your trading journal, work with your mistakes, your not mistakes, but also your winning trades. So to concentrate to find a way to increase the number of winning trades and to decrease the number of losing trades. So that's called like work with trading journal and with your statistics. So some people spend a lot of time on statistics, and then instead of trading, like doing actual trades for 3 hours per day, they only trade maybe 1 hour per day or 2 hours per trade. But in this 1 or 2 hours of trading, they make what others make in a few weeks. So oh wow, why NZD and USD so close? So this trade was so close to winning, to be a winning trade. Oh wow, it just happens. Maybe a little bit of, yeah. Well, guys, when you work with fast trades like 2, 3, 4, even 5 minutes, all these trades are fast trades. Okay, I don't want to open the trade here because we have downwards crossing and then immediately upwards crossing. So that's called a confusion signal. So you don't want to use these confusing signals, contradictory signals. You always want to use pure, clear signals. Okay, and that. Okay, let's give it a try. Open a trade in the downwards direction. 20 seconds to go on this trade. But you know what? I like this mode of trading. So I like FTT mode of trading. Why? Because I don't have to think about my stop losses and take profits. So that's a very very liberating thing when you don't have to think about these stop losses and take profits all the time. Because man, sometimes you just have a pretty much you guess the correct direction about where the price will go next, and then just because you set um, a wrong stop loss, you lose your trade, and then you're like, oh wow, and then so it's very very painful to watch such trades. So sometimes, guys, Bitcoin downwards, we just crossed. So setup number 2 crossed the 100 line with this orange line. So this crossing happened in the downwards direction, so pointing downwards, and thus we open trade downwards. What's your opinion on barcode strategy? Well, barcode is fine, but barcode strategy is mostly suitable for traders who love 1 minute trades. So they love this fast trading, and well, personally, I sometimes do trade with I open trades that last 1 minute, so 60-second trades, but I try not to have too many of those trades, because in my opinion it is very very hard to predict where the price will go in the next. Let's try out GPY signal number 1. Blue line crosses the orange line. But guys, I don't know. It's very very hard to do. Very hard to predict where the price will go next in 1 minute. It's not impossible, but it's just hard. So I'd rather trade with 3-minute trades. It is less stressful and just more reliable. Okay, signal number 1 on Asia Composite Index in the upwards direction. Wow, Nasdaq closing with a profit. Beautiful. Wow, look, it dropped 30 points in just 3 minutes. That's fast. Wow, and Bitcoin, what happened? So dropping like 1% in 2-3 minutes. Also, maybe some news was published or something. Okay. Okay, guys, wanna open trade CHF in the downwards direction because we have this second crossing. So the blue line crossed this trade, this orange line upwards and then downwards. So yeah, that's when you wanna open trades in the downwards direction. That's one of the more more complex signals, but still you can still use it. Europe Composite Index waiting for a signal here. Interesting. So Asia Composite Index has been all over, up, down, and we'll see. So guys, a very interesting question. Which strategy is best for high volatile markets? Well, Excel is a good trading strategy. Pretty much any time when the markets are active enough, you can use this trading strategy. So, well, guys, like I say, there isn't such a thing as the best strategy. There are trading strategies that are suitable for different. Some strategies are ideal for relatively slow markets, and some strategies are suitable for once again volatile markets. Yeah, it's like trending markets, but like highly volatile. That's when you don't want to trade maybe FTT. That's when you want to concentrate on Forex, because a lot of volatility means that you can set quite a relatively small short stop loss, and then you can sit in that trade for a few hours and then make like double your investment or triple or quadruple your investment per trade. So I don't know, guys. It's so I try to have a portfolio of multiple trading strategies. So I try to have a few trading strategies in my arsenal, and then yeah. So Anand says Friday strategy is good for all days. Yeah, I would say Friday definitely is a good reliable trading strategy, suitable for almost any time of day or any day of the week. Okay, guys. I think I want to be closing my trades. I want to stop opening trades. So I have 2 more trades. Just gold and have my trade on Euro USD. So 2 trades, gold and AUDCAD. Okay, I want to calculate my winning trades and losing trades. So my losing trades are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have six losing trades so far, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 winning trades. Wow. And I also have 2 more trades, so we'll see how they close. So 40 seconds to go on this one. Yeah, I think can you show one trade example at diving, please? So guys, let's do diving next time, or you can check the recordings for diving strategy, and also for any trading strategy there is an explanation, there is an instruction, so you can watch this instruction, or even better, if you request a oh wow, that's unexpected, guys. Well, AUD CAD closing with a loss, and gold so also closes with a loss. Okay, so I have 8 losing trades and 16 winning trades. So that's 2/3 of my trades closed with a profit, and my total profit for this webinar equals to $169. Nice. So guys, 66% winning ratio. I didn't really work a lot with my money management. I used pretty much fixed amount of money per trade for every trade. So I would say that well, yeah, you don't really need to modify your amount of money if you have a 66% winning trade. So with this, when you trade on expert status with the expert profitability of the assets, this will be more than enough to be a profitable trader. So I'm getting this strategy with 9 signal line. Well, I also have the 9 signal line. So momentum is 14, and oh, you mean like instead of 14 here you have 9? Yes, that can be the case. Maybe. Like I say, anyone can adjust the any trading strategy to however you want. So it is up to you. It is up to your trading experience. So guys, do the research, do trading, and do analysis. So that's the recipe of success. You open trades, you get some feedback, you do analysis of these trades, and then you rinse and repeat, and then you repeat. It's pretty much the secret of success in any walk of life, in any activity in life. Okay, guys, it was a pleasure conducting this webinar for you. I hope you liked the trading strategy. And next week we have two online seminars, so Tuesday and Thursday. So, guys, have fun, enjoy your trading. So, trading has to bring joy. So, try to have a positive attitude towards it, and eventually you will love it. But spend time analyzing your trades. That's key. That's the key to success. Okay. Thank you for your comments. And my name is Thomas once again, analyst and a trader with Olymp Trade. See you next week, guys. Have a wonderful weekend and have amazing big profits. Bye bye.